What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the 2022 Charger V6 GT, all-wheel drive. Really beautiful car, only got 5,000 miles on it. What we got done on it? Factory converter there, factory converter there, factory X-pipe there. Then what we put is 2 LCGPs, as you guys can see there and there. Part number right there, SHR 254016. There'll be a link in the description for them. And then he brought it earlier in the year and we did a muffler delete on it, a rear resonator delete actually. There and there. There's the original resonators that came on it. They weren't loud enough for him, so we cut them off and went with the LCGPs. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Better? It needed that. And I'm glad, see, like, if we would have went the shorter one, it would have been more fast. This is just clean. There's sound decibels. Again? Right at 100. Go ahead and back it up. We gotta do yours next like that. Exactly.
I took it away from my phone.
Make them jealous by day. You don't make it sound good. Again? We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Got him in and out in less than 45 minutes. He's on his lunch break. So we hooked him up.